ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು learn the words, and I already told you in the last class I will be jumbling the letters today. I hope by now you are comfortable with the letters. So if you can identify the letters, this session will be quite easier for you. Illa andre you might feel it little challenging. So I always request you to practice the letters, all the 49 letters are in the la tanka chennagi practice ಮಾಡಿ, then you come to this episode, this class, okay na? So let's start. So ivaga what I'm going to do is, this you might have in the textbook also. So now we are going to do it here. I'll jumble the letters, okay? Then we have to learn from that, okay? So we'll try to make few words also. The first set of letter that I'm going to take is, so which is this letter? Ra, G, S, Da, A. So using these 5 letters, we can make a word. For example, I'll say the words, you try to write. Okay na? So let's see if it is right or wrong. Sara, Gara, Dara, Ara. Done? Okay. You can send me the photos in to my Gmail, to my email ID. Okay. So next letter. So we'll go with the next set of letters. The next set of letters is, which is this letter? Ja, Va, Ma, Ba. This is not a O, this is B, because full line. Na. Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na. So when you remember, so when you frame the letters now, you can take when you frame the words, you can take the letter from the previous set. So totally from 10 letters you can make it actually. Jara, Vara, Mara, Bana, Vana, Mana. Okay na? So this is how you can make the letters. First start with the 2 letter words. Okay? So next we'll go for the next one. So next one, which letter is this? Pa, Ya, U, D, Ta, Cha. So now when you make a word, you can use this as well as this. Okay na? So for example, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Dada. Okay? Uda. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ನಟ, ನಟ. And ದಡ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ. Okay? Next, ವಟ, ವಟ. Okay? Next one, jana. Okay? Next, na, ya, na. Okay? So this is how you can make a words. We can also do pada. Okay na? So just these are the words. As and when I see the words, you can write it or you can just leave it. So to do the practice, you have to purchase the level 1 book. I'll leave the link here. So practice the words. So all these words are given there. So 2 letter words, 3 letter word, 4 letter word and a sentence. So that is there. So you can take that book and practice these words there. Okay na? So now you're comfortable with this letter. We'll go for the next set. Next set. L, sh. So make that sound. Sh. E, U, K, A. Very good. So now I can make Ka, Sa, Ye, Da, Ba, La, Sh, Ta. Okay. Next, Uta, Okay, fine. We'll go with the next set now. The next set is, already we have a A there. A, I, A, T, La. Very good. I can do N, La, A, Ta, T, La. Next in there, E, Ga, E, Ta. Okay, fine. We'll go with the next one. Inidu I, Ru, Na, Cha, O. O, Na. Na ಇದೆ. O, Na. Ru, Na. Okay, na? E tara. You can make the words. We'll go with the next one. So that here the class intention is not to make the words, instead to identify the letters. That is the purpose of this class. Identify the letters. Okay, next one. I'll write it here. I'll write in a different color. Sorry. K, T, T, P, Dha, Bha, Gha, Dha. Okay, so if you find any missing letters here, please make me note. Okay, na? So these are the set of letters. So when you make a letters, so what you can do is how to learn. Take a sheet of paper, make a pieces, write this set of letters. So one sheet ali write R, G, S, D, A. In a sheet ali write J, V, M, B, N. Another sheet write P, Y, U, D, T, Ch. L, Sh, I, U, K, A. A, I, A, T, L. I, Ru, N, Ch, O. K, T, Th, P. D, B, G, D. Okay, we can make a split here if you want. Okay, na? So make this, fold it, jumble and leave it. So then take a sheet, then you should be able to say that letters fast again. So that is the activity that I'm going to give you after today's class. So e class admele what you do, take a sheet of paper, write this set of letters. So how many sets we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the Kannada numbers. 5, 6, 7. We have a 7 set. So in this, if you want, make a 2 set. Okay, na? So make it sheet of paper ali bardu, jumble, leave it, pick one sheet, say it faster. This activity. Okay. So make try this one. Then you can purchase the level 1 book. Then from there, write the words, practice the words, read the words. Okay, so I'll meet you all in the next class. Until then, please make sure that you are comfortable with this letter. Then after this class, we are going to learn in the next class different topic. Okay, so thank you so much once again. Namaskara, dhanyavadagalu.